Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about how to add Payoneer account in Fiverr step by step. First, log into Fiverr, go to earnings from your profile drop down. I'm not a freelancer, so there isn't that option, but if you already have a Fiverr account and you are already freelancing through Fiverr, you will find it right after clicking on your profile picture. So just go to earnings from your profile drop down. Scroll down to withdrawal methods. I'm not showing it to you, but you can see it through the steps I'm telling you if you follow this while going to Fiverr. And then click Connect Payoneer. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Payoneer. You can just simply go to Payoneer and do whatever it says. And then once approved, it will show as a withdrawal option. And then you can withdraw your earnings from Fiverr, which you earned working very hard while freelancing. It will get totally transferred to your Payoneer account and you can withdraw from there. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.